Welcome back to my final morning report, Charter Pros, on Tuesday 26th of July with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Antec Markets. We're going to look at gold, and we're seeing a bit of a consolidation really on gold. See, we had this correction, or this corrective move, to be honest, is still in force, but the low that we saw last week of 13.1050 has held. I mean, you've had 2 days of corrective moves. If I zoom in here, you can see a bit better. You've had 2 days of negative candles, but again today, slight element of support, $6 up on the day. And you've had these momentum indicators that have unwound. RSI back towards 50, MACD lines approaching neutral, stochastics beginning to slow their decline, although it's still falling to a certain extent. I mean, 1306 I've been talking about for a while now, being the ideal sort of buying area for medium to longer term plays. We're still in the prospect of probably going back into that pink box range between 1260 and 1306, but certainly the rate of the selling pressure has sort of tailed off a bit. You see here on the hourly chart, yes, slightly, you're still bearishly biased. That's that is clear with, I think, obviously the falling moving averages, but these the momentum indicators are not as negative as they have been. Now it'd be interesting to see what happens with this RSI, which has just unwound back towards 60 again. 60-10 has tended to be an area where the bears come back in, and if I zoom in here, you can see a bit of a pivot around 1320 to 1325 area, sort of resistance, which had been supportive sort of between here and here a couple of weeks ago. 1320 to 1325 seem to be supportive, and that's to a certain extent become the basis of resistance in the last couple of days as well. So it'll be interesting to see if it again fails around that 1325 area, because if that happens, I think the chances are you're going to sort of drift back towards 1310 and probably 1306 again. But above 1325, then it reopens 1335. 1335 being the pivot that has held the rally back over the last 2 weeks actually. 1335, all these highs here. So that is your key near-term resistance, 1335, but 1325 is your initial resistance to watch out for. But as I said, the RSI back towards 60, maybe in this sort of corrective drift, that is going to be the level at which the resistance comes back in and the sellers just start to sort of see the gold price drift lower back again towards 1310, maybe 1306 again. But very interesting moves still on gold, as it's sort of looking to see exactly which way the next move is going to be. You've got the Fed tomorrow, which will be a mover, and obviously the BOJ again will be a mover for gold. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.